The leading cause of warehouse rack system failure is forklift impact, causing millions of dollars in warehouse and inventory damage annually. Without proper rack protection, your facility is left vulnerable to potentially catastrophic damage. That is why SlowStop, the creators of the all-steel energy-absorbing bollard, introduces the world's strongest surface-mounted rack end protector. The all-new rack end design uses SlowStop's patented technology for the strongest protection you will find anywhere. Using SlowStop rebounding technology along with a specially created horizontal adapter, the protection is second to none. In the new design, the anchors are fully protected from forklift impact and kept away from critical turning corner, and the low-profile base can be placed under or nearly under rack, all to help reclaim valuable floor space within your warehouse. Don't risk failed racks, expensive repairs, or even OSHA fines. Call SlowStop today to get customized rack end to fit all your needs. Visit us at slowstop.com to learn more.